Para saan itong ingredients nito? Tahong. Mussels. Tama? Mussels yan. Ito.
Arghentrock.
Tahong. Seafood. Mussels. We have shellfish for lunch. We're going to have shellfish. So back to the ingredients. We've got simple onions and ginger. Oh, of course, there's garlic. Oh, that smells nice. This. Okay, now here come the onions, red onions. Is it really best to cook the garlic first?
Sabi ba na nauuna nga, inuuna nila yung luya eh. Sabayin ko yung matagal maluto yung luya.
So other cooks cook the ginger first because it takes time to cook the ginger.
So yung iba naman, inuuna yung sibuyas bago.
So it depends on the cook or the chef. So if you notice, our ginger still has skin on it. The reason is because the skin can impart a very enhanced flavor to the dish. If you remove the skin, the flavor will be less enhanced. Okay, we added some more oil because we ran out of oil. The starting to brown a bit, so we needed to add some oil. Okay, we're cooking some shellfish, so it's going to be tahong for lunch. Okay, we've rinsed the tahong. And now we're adding it to the skillet, to the pan. Adding everything. Oh, it's cooking fast. Turning brown quickly. Okay, so I mentioned the vegetables earlier. These are chili leaves. So we will be adding this to the tahong broth. Right, so our tahong is almost ready. Oh, tastes very shellfish.
Ano, matabang?
I don't know, slight.
Right. Kailangan ko ng patis dito.
But it already tastes like the sea.
Okay.
But it looks nice.
It's maliit. Ay, takip muna para mag-ano siya. The other mother. Oh.
It's hard to stir because it's a very shallow pan.
Wala available.
This is the only pan available right now, so we had to make do with what we had. Hey, you saw our tahong is almost cooked, so this will be our lunch for today. Tahong with broth. Okay. yeah, very tasty.
Okay,
You can really taste the ocean, the saltiness of the ocean. Okay, so you'll know if the tahong is cooked if they're open. Okay, so I see some that are already open, and yes, I think these are ready. We're also cooking some prawns. So if you have tahong, there has to be prawns, right? So we added some brown sugar to the prawns.
So, wala siyang betchin. Wala siyang betchin.
So we're mixing the prawns. No bat.
Tabi.
Okay.
Tabi.
So that's the only thing you added to the prawns, the brown sugar. And that's it? What else are you going to add?
Konting oil.
Just a bit of oil. So we're also going to add some cooking oil. Okay, so this will cook fairly quickly.
So, may konting sabaw, diba?
See, I can already see the transformation. They're now turning orange. Just add some water and cover it for a few minutes. Alright, so we're gonna open it now. Just about a minute. Now we're going to stir it, turn them over so you can see some of the prawns are already cooked. At least half of their bodies. So we're turning them over so that the other side will cook. Right, so these are cooked already. We've got our tahong here and we've got our prawns there. There you go.
Excuse me.
Oh, haha. Look at that smoke. Okay, we're going to plate the prawns now. Plating the prawns. So nothing fancy. So we're just gonna scrape them off the pan and put it into that bowl. There. Smoky prawns. Okay, now we're going to take the tahong. Alright, we've got our tahong and prawns. Delicious. Let's see. Let me taste it. There you go.
Delicious.
Yep. Definitely delicious. Got some chili leaves here. Chili greens. Yeah. The chili leaves are essentially slightly bitter. Gotcha.
Grabe yung pinapa. Bumari.
Okay. Forgot the phone. Chili green.
Sayang naman ang tinapay.
Now for the prawns. Juicy prawn. See, it's even dripping. Bite into it like this. Yeah, sure. And discard it. That's so juicy. Now, just take off the legs. Just peel it like this. Just peel it. Let's go around. Oh, see the juice. Okay. So now you see that only the shell of the tail is left, so you can just pull it out, and there you have it. There you go. Yeah, it's very natural. And all we did was add brown sugar and a little bit of water to these prawns. Yep. Perfect. So I hope you like this short video, and I'll see you around. And stay safe. Bye bye.
Arghentrock.